Having low self-esteem sucks ass. Luckily, there's a few things you can do to ensure that you don't have to worry about this. And this particular tip I'm going to give you is from Neuro-Linguistic Programming, NLP, and it's called the Greatest Hits Collection. Now, what's the Greatest Hits Collection? Basically, it's a compilation of your greatest hits, your best achievements. So how you approach this is you're going to get a spreadsheet, right? Open that bitch up. And in that spreadsheet, you're going to write down all the things that you can remember that you've done that made you feel good. Moments when you perhaps mowed your neighbor's lawn. Moments when you won the maths award at your high school. When you came first in that race. All the things you can think of that made you feel good, that made you have higher self-esteem at that time. You're going to write them down. Now what you're going to do with this list is you're going to periodically review it. Perhaps once a week, perhaps once a day. You're going to go over the list, and each time you go over each thing, you're going to remember the memory in the first person. That's right, you're going to remember it in the first person. See things as they were when it happened and feel everything you felt. You're going to do this for each thing on the list, or for as many as you need to do until you start feeling better about yourself. Now what this method does is it reprograms your brain into being able to see the good in situations. At times when you have low self-esteem, you're going to always have this reference material, the reference experiences to draw back on. You're always going to be able to go into a place in your head and feel those good emotions again.
Do it! Just do it!